real life, I guess if you really love someone talaga, wala kang choice to make them happy. Because kung pinilit mo na ma-in-love rin sila sa'yo, parang ang mali ngayon eh. It doesn't feel natural. Parang hindi na talaga siya masaya na pipilitan lang. If it's real love, it comes from the heart. Second nature na yun. It doesn't have, you don't have to think about it. Yun yung take ko.
Thank you.
Ako personally po, umalis na ako agad. Kasi bakit mo naman ilalaban yung something na ayaw or someone na ayaw talaga sa'yo. And I know what I want. Especially now, I know what I want, what I deserve. So, alam ko may perfect timing lahat. So, bakit ako mag-aksaya ng panahon para lumaban sa isang bagay na worth it?
For me, I guess the best way, the purest way to love is to just let someone be. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to exert any effort. It's just gonna happen. It will unfold naturally. So, hindi fina-force yun. Love and attachment is different. So, dun tayo sa pure love with pure intentions. That's what we all deserve.
About the love, if they don't love you back, hindi ko sila habulin. So, let the love find me. Yeah.